सबसे बड़ा सवाल जो हर सीए फ्रेशर मुझसे पूछता है कि मिरर, क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में सच में इतना पैसा है जितना लोग बोलते हैं या फिर ये बस एक हाइप है? सो टुडे एज ए सीए वर्किंग इन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, I am going to pull back all the curtains and give you a complete breakdown from the fixed pay to that fat bonus everyone dreams about. But wait, I will not just talk about the numbers. I will also tell you the real price you have to pay for this salary. So let's start with the numbers first. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आईबी की सैलरी नॉर्मल 9 to 5 की जॉब की तरह नहीं होती जहां मंथली सैलरी आई और बात खत्म। इसके दो मेन पार्ट्स होते हैं। पार्ट वन इज द फिक्स पे। ये वो अमाउंट है जो आपको हर महीने के एंड में मिलता है। एक सीए फ्रेशर के लिए मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से ये नंबर 12 लाख पर एनम टू 30 लाख पर एनम तक जा सकता है, डिपेंड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग यू आर वर्किंग। द नेक्स्ट इज द वेरिएबल बोनस एंड दिस इज द रियल पावर ऑफ आईबी। At the end of the year, based on your performance and the bank performance, you get a bonus. And believe me or not, this number can go from 30% to 100%. Imagine, jitni salary, utna bonus. But wait, not every bank pay the same salary. So let's break it down into three tiers. First is bulge bracket or global bank. Names like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, they pay the highest salary. Here, for a CA fresher, the typical salary range up to 40 lakh per annum. Next is the mid-tier or domestic bank, names like Kotak, Axis Bank. यहाँ पे CA fresher के लिए typical salary package होता है वो 15 lakh per annum to 25 lakh per annum तक जा सकता है. And the third is the boutique firm. These are small or specialized firm. At the starting, this number can be low up to 15 lakh, but the learning curve and the exposure are massive here. But wait. Why investment banks pay you so much? Because here we don't sell hours, we sell result. 12 to 14 hours workday is a norm here. And when a deal is about to close, you can forget about your weekends because a single tiny mistake in Excel can cost millions. So whenever you see that high salary slip, remember it comes with the cost of your sleep, a lot of personal sacrifices and your social life. So it's time for my final verdict. The money is definitely there. And as a CA, your analytical skills is highly valued in the industry. So if you're ready to put that hard work, the financial result is unmatched. If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, I am Miral Singh signing off.